Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. If you are new here, we are a minimalist family who are living big with less, and today I have a great video for you all about cleaning and tidying when you have unexpected guests arrive. So I can't wait to show you how I get things tidy in 15 minutes or less. So guys, this morning I'm going to talk a little bit about cleaning up before unexpected guests arrive. Now, I think it is absolutely 100% fine for guests to come in your home when it's not perfect or when you've got a lot going on, just as I've been in many of my friends and family's home when they've had a lot going on, and it bothers me 0%. However, I know that I give my best to my family and friends when I'm not worried about things that are out of place or a mess. I can give them 100% of my attention because I'm not worrying about those other things. So these are the things that I like to get done really quickly before someone comes in so that they feel relaxed and welcome in our home. This video is actually a collaboration with my sweet friends Kristine and Binni from Real Organized. I think you guys are really going to love their channel, and I'll let them introduce themselves.
Hi, we're Binni and Kristine from Real Organized, and we are a Scandinavian family of 5.
Yep, and we're all about living a tidy, organized, and happy life with our kids.
Yeah, we share the systems and the practical tips that we use on a daily basis to stay on top of things.
Or to stay mostly on top of things. So if that sounds good, then once you're done watching Sarah's video, head over to our channel and say hi. We'd love to see you there.
So guys, we are just having a super relaxed Saturday morning, and we are chilling out with a coffee.
All around the world.
Hello? Yeah, we're home. We're just going to be around today. Yeah, come round. Okay, we'll see you soon. Bye. Alright guys, we're going to clean this up. Let's do this. So the first thing that we like to do if we are doing a really quick tidy up is to divide and conquer. So I'm going to work with the kids on tidying up the living room and moving down to the bedrooms while Caleb is tackling the kitchen.
You were only like a friend till we met.
Now I would actually leave the toys out in the lounge if I had other kids coming, and it would be like the least of my worries. The fact that these were Legos and that they were all over the lounge, I decided that we'd just give them a quick clean up. But honestly, kids will be kids, and leaving toys out is no big deal. I also always use my trusty basket to get anything that doesn't belong, but I don't worry about putting that stuff away before guests come. If we have time, I love to get all the beds made and the girls' room tidy, just that way if they've got friends coming, it starts it afresh. Caleb is just cleaning up after our breakfast dishes. He's just getting everything washed and all the benches clear.
I'll be on my way home. Yeah, we're chilling, I just, you and I. Every crazy summer night, baby, I am coming home. I'm coming home. Longing for you, pick up the phone. Catching a flight, I'm coming home. Back to the place I've always known.
Now, if you had a upstairs and a downstairs and your bedrooms were upstairs, I totally would not worry about doing bedrooms and getting things clean. However, we live in a very small apartment and our bedroom is at the end of the hall. So just as our guests come and walk down the end of the hall, even if everything's not perfect, if it's picked up, and that way if any kids do end up playing a game on our TV, I know that it's neat and tidy. Another thing I really like to do is clean the bathrooms. So of course if anyone's using the toilet, that they're going to come in and wash their hands. So I swap out the hand towels and just make sure that the sink is clear of any toothpaste stains. It takes like 1 minute and everything is just neat and tidy. Now, if I was doing this clean on my own, I probably would not have worried about drying the dishes. I would have just left the clean dishes on the sink, but because Kayla was helping, it was great to have it done. And I always like to give the toilet just a quick swish and swipe. If you have kids, you just know what it's like, and in that way I know that everything is clean and ready for our guests.
Can we ever make it stop? But I'll be yours to keep. What you give is what you get. I don't care to start a fight. I don't want you to say how it feels so alone. But I don't care what you do.
We are now just putting the finishing touches on the kitchen, just getting any of that stuff that we've had out on the benches cleared away. This just makes the view from our living room really clear. And it doesn't have to be put away perfectly, but even if you can just move it off out of sight while your guests are there, it makes the whole room feel way calmer.
So predictable.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're new here, we would absolutely love it if you would consider subscribing and joining our community. Here's our latest videos and some other videos we think you might enjoy. If you liked this video, if you could please give it a thumbs up. That just let us know that you'd like more content like it. And I will catch you guys in the next one.